Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to promote Clickbank products with forums. And if this is your first time to the channel, this channel is about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, how to make money from home. And if those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. Again, how to promote Clickbank products on forums. I'm going to tell you 5 easy steps. First of all, why do you want to market on forums? It's highly targeted traffic to your Clickbank offer. It's free, and it also helps you to establish an online presence. Okay, so the first step is to pick a niche. The most profitable niches are going to be relationships, wealth, and health, and those are because people have the most problems in those areas. So they're going to be going to forums to ask questions and try to solve problems, and your Clickbank offer is going to provide a solution to their problem. Okay, so you go to Clickbank, you pick your product. The third thing is you're going to create a lead capture page and a follow-up series, because if you send people directly to the sales page, you're not going to be able to keep in contact with them after that. So even though they may not be interested right away, most people don't make a buying decision the first time. So they're going to be thinking about it. You're going to be providing valuable information to them with your email follow-up series, and also you can send out broadcasts, and so people may buy down the road, and you're establishing that relationship with them with your email marketing. And I've got a couple videos that I created on how to create a lead capture page in both Builderall and Clickfunnels. So I'm going to leave those in the description below this video, and also how to create a follow-up series in Aweber and how to connect it to Builderall and also to Clickfunnels. So I'll leave that down there. You can go ahead and go through those. And then the fourth thing is you're going to go ahead and search for forums in your niche, and you want to make sure that they allow a link in the signature box so that it will link out to your lead capture page. And you can go search top 10 forums on Google, and also go to bigboards.com. Those are two places that you can find forums in your niche. So for example, if your niche is relationships, you could search top 10 dating forums, and then you can come up with some of these. I had already looked at this one here. It looked like a really good one. You want to make sure that there's a lot of users on it, like there's 67,000 users and a lot of activity. So you can see that within the last just few hours, people are asking questions, and so then people will go in, and that's what you want to do. You want to go in and see if you can answer their questions, provide valuable information to them. And you can also go in and see people who have answered a lot of questions and have built up an online presence, like what do they say, and also what do they have in their signature box that they're linking out to. And then Big Boards is another place you can go. Big Boards. Actually, I think I typed that wrong. Let's see. Yeah, it's Big Board. It's not, there's no S in it. Bigboard.com. And you can find message boards on here as well. Okay, so then the last thing you're going to do, of course, is to engage by answering, I would say, 20 to 30 questions a day. And that's going to take you several hours. But what it's going to do is it's going to help you establish credibility. And then those people who are asking questions are more likely to listen to your advice, click on your link in your signature box, and go to your lead capture page. And not only that, but once they're on your email list, you already have a good relationship with them. So they're willing to take your advice as far as products and anything that you're sending out in your emails. They're likely to open your emails and to read them if you already have established that credibility. So those are the 5 steps I would say to promote Clickbank products on forums. Again, it's highly targeted. If you have very little money or no money, I would highly recommend you do this. In addition to using Quora, and I did another video on this, and that is extremely powerful as well. You can go in and answer questions on Quora and get really targeted traffic there too. So if you combine the 2 of these, you're going to be getting good leads. You're going to be getting sales. I mean, it's just a matter of time, because if you're out there answering that many questions, you're going to get some traffic and you're going to get some sales. So if you have more time than you have money, I would highly recommend these 2 strategies. I'm going to leave a link in the description below this video to the video that I did on Quora marketing, where you can find what kind of questions people are actually asking, type it into Quora, and then that have to do with your product, and then answer them on Quora. So super powerful, both of these methods, and it's free. So hope you found value in this video on how to promote Clickbank products with forums. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. And again, if this is your first time to the channel and you want to learn more about these type of topics on how to make money online, make sure you click the subscribe button. With that being said, this is Karen Miro signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.